behemoth again. Stephanie's right here. Yeah, she's all ready to go. We got Audrey, Ali, Selena, woo, Luna. Yeah. All right. So we're going up. We got the thing right here. This is the railroad. We had the view on the outside. It was very nice, very nice. We had the view on the other side. There's the water park and the thing. Water park's over there. We're about to get to the top. We're gonna get a nice view and then